So we just bought some flowers for Diwali and सुना है ये हैदराबाद का one of the biggest flower market है which is at Gudi Malka Road near Mehdipatnam and it's actually really a big market and बहुत सारे varieties of flowers मिलते हैं यहाँ पे and we got some marigold flowers, orange and yellow ones. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tashtita. So today is Diwali, so happy Diwali. So basically since it's Diwali video, इस वीडियो में आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो इज़ दैट आई हैव सम टू डू लिस्ट लाइक टू क्लीन द हाउस एंड टू डेकोरेट द हाउस, not much decoration, just like a simple one, and then we'll go out for lunch. So we're going out at a new place and that you'll come to know कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं. तो yeah, we'll come back and we'll start decorating and then we'll get dressed up. I'll prepare some good food for him. We're not gonna go outside for that. We're gonna have a really special dinner at home. So it's 12:30 and now I have to get ready for lunch. So I'm gonna start with my makeup. So I'm gonna start with my concealer. And now I'm gonna use foundation. Not much, just a little. So I'm just done with my base makeup. So coming towards eyebrows now, I'll be using Miss Claire eyebrow cake. I've always liked dark eyebrows. I have very thin eyebrows. That's the issue. So I always have to groom my eyebrows before I go somewhere. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows. Looks like this is more darker than this. God, I have to fix this. Okay, now it seems okay. Now the next thing is I'll just use a bit shimmer on my eyes, just a little. That's it. And the important one, mascara. Seriously, once you just groom your eyebrows and do your mascara, it's just a game changer. It'll just entirely change your look. Even if you don't wear lipstick or don't do much makeup, just groom your eyebrows and your mascara, you're done. And some on my lower eyelash. Now you can see the difference, right? So I'm done with my makeup. So yeah, I'll just quickly go and get dressed. It's about to be 1 o'clock now. So see you guys after I get dressed. So I'm back and I'm all dressed up for lunch and I'm wearing a floral top with jeans. So yeah, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. So it's already 1 o'clock and बहुत ज़ोर का भूख लग रही है मुझे. So I'll go now and obviously I'll give you an entire tour of the place that we're going. So we just reached a place and the ambience is really good and I just loved it. You can just have your food in peace and it just gives a vintage vibe. I mean a vintage bungalow turned cafe. So we just ordered a food and hot chocolate has just arrived and other food items are yet to come. So till then I'll just do some photo shoots and videos. So we are just done with our lunch and now we're going back home and then we'll go and prepare for Diwali. So back home and we'll start with Diwali preparation. So I'll start with the dining table. तो उसको थोड़ा सा festive बनाते हैं. So yeah, let's start with the dining table. So I have these branches and just flowers I have orange and yellow. So मैं इनको यहाँ पे tie करूँगी with this rope. एक हो गया तो अभी दूसरा वाला करते हैं या फिर I'll start with this yellow one. I'll do this. Actually इसको करने बहुत पेशेंस चाहिए. It's not that easy, but the end result is very pretty. Thanks to my husband who showed me the trick to tie around these branches. अरे यार नहीं हो रहा है. So our one DIY is done. So for our next DIY, I'm gonna need this glass bowl. ये मैंने लिया था Amazon से. So I fill this with water. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this flowers. Then I'm gonna put this orange marigold. Oops, this doesn't look good. Actually बहुत दिन हो गए इसको लाए हुए तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा ये मुरझा गया है. This looks fine. And then I'll just put this scented floating candle and शाम को उसको light करेंगे. तो ये इतना हो गया है टेबल का. And now I'll jump to the next DIY. So next thing जो भी करने वाली हूँ is I'm gonna fill this wall with flowers.
क्या बना रही हो आप?
I'm making a flower रंगोली in the shape of दिया. मुझे पाउडर वाली रंगोली नहीं आती है तो I'm making the help of flower. And thanks to you, इन्होंने मुझे आइडिया दिया है. My husband ने मुझे आइडिया दिया है to make रंगोली. ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है रंगोली बनाने का. Almost done with my Diwali decor. जितना हो सके मैंने किया है. अभी थोड़ा सा क्लीनिंग बची है. जितना भी petals नीचे गिरा हुआ है तो I have to just clean it up. By the time Kaushik will go and get some crackers. I'm literally enjoying decorating the house for Diwali. So I just cleaned my house and now it's looking really clean because बहुत messy हो गया था जब we were decorating the house. तो अभी I'm also done with the decoration. So I'll quickly go and cook some food because बाद में I know I'll not be able to because I'll be so much into the Diwali zone that मुझे बनाने का एकदम मन नहीं करेगा. I know that. तो अभी से मैं बना रही हूँ. And then I'll go and take shower. We'll light some diyas. And then we'll have Diwali dinner date at home. दिन में दिवाली लंच हो गया था बाहर तो अभी घर पे अभी दिवाली डिनर डेट करेंगे. And then we'll have some drink and we'll watch some movies together. We'll burst some crackers. So basically I'm making paneer sashlik. ये मैं बहुत बार बनाई हूँ जब भी guests आते हैं या फिर whenever we are craving for some good paneer dish. So I prepare this paneer sashlik. So basically what is paneer sashlik is, it is like grilled paneer with saffron flavored rice followed by creamy mayonnaise sauce and hot sauce. तो अभी मैं इतना आज बनाने वाली हूँ. आई एम ऑलमोस्ट डन विथ माई कुकिंग. मतलब मैरिनेट जितना करना था मैंने वो कर लिया है. सॉस बना के रखी हूँ, तो मुझे बस बाद में मतलब ग्रिल करनी है. एंड आई हैव टू जस्ट कुक द राइस एंड फूड विल बी रेडी. तो अभी कौशिक जस्ट केम एंड ही गॉट सम क्रैकर्स. तो लेट मी शो यू व्हाट ही गॉट. तो ही गॉट दिस क्रैकर्स. आई मीन हर एक का नाम नहीं पता इसको क्या बोलते हैं. शायद इसको अनार बोलते हैं. एंड देन दिस आर फुलझड़ीज. एंड देन ही गॉट this, and then he got this color rocket, and one more, and yeah, that's all he has got. So he just went to get shower, and then we'll get dressed up and हम लोग नीचे जाएंगे to burst the crackers and we'll have fun. Yay! तो अभी थोड़ा वाइन पी के रिलैक्स करके घर वालों से बात भी करके नाउ वी आर गोइंग डाउन स्टेयर्स टू बर्स्ट द क्रैकर्स. I'm sweating and I'm so tired. I mean, मज़ा बहुत आया क्योंकि बहुत सालों बाद we have burst crackers and yeah, because last year to ban था and this year so we decided let's do it and it was fun. मज़ा आया. And now we are back to our rooms and I'll finish the cooking. We'll have dinner and we'll watch some movies or something. We just had a dinner and the food was good. We also sipped some wine. Okay, so if you guys are thinking that I have again changed my dress, so yes, because I was filming for reels and yeah, now if you can see my face, I'm literally tired. I guess I look sleepy as well, but yeah, it was a fun day and it was a great Diwali and happy Diwali once again. And hope you like my video, and if you like my video don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.